In this video, I will show you how to see who shared your Instagram post. If you've ever posted something and wondered who shared it to their story, here's exactly how it works. First of all, let's start with the direct method. Launch open Instagram and go to the post you want to check. Now tap on the three dots in the top corner of your post. If the account is public and someone has shared your post to their story, you will see an option called View Story Reshares. Tap on it. If this feature is available, Instagram will show you the profiles of people who have shared their post to their active stories. You can even tap on their profile picture to view the story directly. Next way is to look to your notification. If someone shares your post to their story and tags you, you will receive a notification in your activity tab. Tap on the notification and you'll be able to view the story directly. This is one of the easiest ways to know if someone has shared your content. Next option is switching to professional account. Change your account to creator or business. Then you will unlock insights. Now tap on view insights. Here it will show you the total number of shares. In some cases, you may also get access to the story reshare view from here. Remember that if someone with a private account shares your post to their story, you won't be able to see it unless you follow them. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.